Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 2022. Firstly, go into App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Then you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer on both devices. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue and finally allow. Following that, I need to rotate my tablet real quick and then select receive on HUAWEI. Now select send on an Android and tap on all of those dots. Following that, choose send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, choose send and then click on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon on HUAWEI tablet, selecting only by using the app and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here and connect those devices by choosing receive. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!